Complaint was received from Nongpoh Town Committee, and this was last year. After that, again some work was being tried to being started, which was done by Nongpoh Town Committee, and the matter was raised against which a preliminary inquiry report I have with me that has been conducted by the ADC in charge of Nongpoh Town Committee. See that land was basically gifted by the Nongpoh Ride itself in the year 2000, and after that it was acquired, I think later on, I think in the year of 2006 or 7 in Land Acquisition Act, the previous one, against which a compensation of 10,000 was given to the ride itself, for which we have the all the records and documents. So as per the preliminary report, it clearly shows, as per the map from the Urban Affairs Department also, it was clearly showed that this land belongs to the Nongpoh Town Committee. And although we are still conducting the inquiry, it's in the process. Prima facie, it appears that everything is with the Nongpoh Town Committee itself. And if there is any encroachment or anyone trying to take away the government land which was acquired as per that act, the necessary action will be taken accordingly.